Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to day 3 of Writer's Workshop. If you're listening to this video, you are a fish writer. Our focus today is writing a reason to support our opinion and adding words with blends and digraphs. The materials that you're going to need today is your iPad set for 15 minutes, a pencil, and the writing paper that you started yesterday, so it should be in your work folder. If you don't have all of those items, I want you to pause the video and get them now. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set your timer on your iPad for 15 minutes and get it started. So pause this video, and get your timer started for 15 minutes right now. Great job. Now today, since we are writing a reason, we want to look at what is a reason. A reason tells why you think or feel a certain way. Reasons give your opinion power. Now don't forget to use the magic word because. So what is your reason? Here's an example. Pepperoni pizza is the best because it is a little spicy and I love spicy foods. That was a really good reason, wasn't it? Now, there are some because boo-boos that we need to think about. I want you to stay away from saying things like because I like it, because it is neat, because it is cool. Instead, I want you to say why you like it, why it is neat, or what makes it cool. So let's look at our paper from yesterday. This is the one that Mrs. White started. I had down that I prefer to buy a fish. And I'm going to say fish are good pets because, I use the word because, they are cool. Uh-oh. It says not to use because it is cool. So let me think about that a little bit more. I'm going to say because they do not chew on the furniture. That gives a little bit more detail. Well, boys and girls, it is your turn to write your reason. Now, I want you to remember not to use about those because boo-boos, so that you're not using anything because I like it, or because it is neat, or because it is cool. Go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and write your reason. Welcome back, boys and girls. I want you to go ahead and take a picture on Seesaw and send it to your teacher so that they can see your progress so far on your writing. Great job, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. You may stop the video and take your seesaw picture.